Did you know that right now, as you're watching this, your body is working hard to repair itself? From fixing tiny cuts to fighting off infections and even replacing old cells, your body is a self-healing machine. But how does it do it? Let's break it down. Your body is constantly renewing itself. Your skin, for example, completely regenerates every 27 days. Red blood cells, they get replaced every 120 days. Even your bones, yes, your bones, are constantly remodeling, replacing old tissue with new, stronger material. And what about when you get sick? Your immune system jumps into action, sending out white blood cells to fight infections. Fever, inflammation, and even mucus, yes, that annoying stuff, are all ways your body protects and heals itself. Ever wonder why sleep is so important? At night, while you rest, your body goes into repair mode. It releases growth hormones to heal muscles, restores brain function, and even strengthens your immune system. That's why good sleep isn't just nice, it's necessary. Now, here's the secret. Your body needs the right fuel to heal properly. Proteins help rebuild tissues. Vitamins like C and D boost immune response. And antioxidants fight off damage from toxins. Eating healthy isn't just about looking good. It's about staying strong from the inside out. Exercise does more than just build muscle. It actually stimulates the repair process, increasing blood flow and delivering oxygen to damaged tissues. But don't forget, rest days are just as important. That's when the real healing happens. Every second, your body is repairing, rebuilding, and keeping you alive. It's an incredible process that happens without you even thinking about it. But the better you take care of it, the better it takes care of you. So, the next time you feel tired, stressed, or even a little under the weather, remember, your body is working hard for you. Give it the sleep, nutrients, and care it needs, and it'll keep you going strong. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing health facts. And tell us in the comments, what's one thing you do to keep your body healthy? See you in the next one.